Here's how to change the aspect ratio in Filmora. Go to File and click Project Settings. A window will pop up where you can change the aspect ratio and resolution. Click the aspect ratio dropdown and choose the one that fits your project. For example, 16:9 for widescreen, 9:16 for vertical Instagram or TikTok videos, or 1:1 for a square format. The resolution will update automatically to match. Click OK and your project frame will change instantly. If your video clip does not fill the new frame, go to your timeline, select the clip, and go to Video, then Basic in the panel on the right. Increase the scale slider until the video fills the frame completely. You can also adjust the position to frame exactly what you want to show. To scale a clip without changing the whole project aspect ratio, select your clip, go to Video, then Basic, and adjust the scale slider up or down. Make sure the lock icon is enabled to keep the proportions correct. Click Reset to bring it back to the original size at any time. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.